These are questions from Precalculus Onramps, homework 3.0.2. I need to expand or contract logarithmic expressions and then also solve a log without a calculator. So here's, oh boy, hold on, let me see if I can move this over because something is blocking me, so I'll just go like this, then I can move it over. All right, there it is. The natural log of the cube root of x divided by 10 times the square root of yz. I'm going to make these roots into fractional exponents because a root goes in the denominator. So this is the log of x to the 1/3 power divided by 10, and then both y and z are to the 1/2 power. So I'll just put them each to the 1/2 power. Y to the 1/2, z to the 1/2. And then I will further expand this by separating them. If they are divided, then I subtract log, natural log of x to the 1/3, minus natural log 10, minus, they're all on the bottom, so they're minuses, natural log of y to the 1/2, minus natural log of z to the 1/2. And then I can put the exponent in front of the log. That's 1/3, natural log of x, minus log of 10, natural log of 10, minus 1/2, natural log of y, minus 1/2, natural log of z. And sometimes I can just put this negative out in front of the whole thing. I could put minus, and then I can put log of 10 plus 1/2 log of y, because these are all on the bottom and they're multiplied by each other, plus 1/2 log of z. But really expanding, this is all expanded. So now this one I have to contract, and since, see, this is the negative, so these two are plus, they're going to be in the bottom multiplied. So this is going to be natural log of x squared minus 5x plus 6 divided by x times x minus 3. See, those go on the bottom because of that minus sign. Now I will try to factor that top. I need numbers that multiply to -6 and add to -5. That's -2 and -3. How beautiful. So x minus 2, x minus 3 over x times x minus 3. And of course, it's still the natural log of all that stuff. And now I can cancel out the x minus 3's, and I get the natural log of x minus 2 over x. So there's the answer for 34. Did I circle the answer? Yeah, I did circle the answer. And then on this worksheet are also some that ask to solve the equation without a calculator. Well, remember the fish hook. This is x to the minus 5 halves equals 32. So to undo, I have to undo the square root, I put it to the 2nd power. To undo 5th power, I take the 5th root, and I want to make that positive, so I'm going to go like that. So this is x, -5 halves times -2/5 is 1, equals 32 to the -2/5. So the negative I'll take care of at the end by flipping the fraction. When you have a number to a negative power, just if it's in the numerator, put it in the denominator. If it's in the denominator, put it in the numerator. It's kind of a tongue twister. But now I'm going to do this 5th root first. What is the 5th root of 32? Something multiplied by itself 5 times is 32. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So that's 2. X equals 2. 32, the 5th root of 32 is 2, and then to the -2nd power. And now to turn that into a positive power, I'm just going to put the 2 in the denominator, 2 squared. So now the power got rid of the negative sign, and 1 over 2 squared is 1 over 4. So that's the answer, 1 over 4. And I can do this on Desmos, which I already have. I put the log to the base x, 32 equals y, and y equals -5 halves. And you can see they cross at 0.25. So x is 0.25. So that's worksheet 3.0.2. Just one question or one problem from each section just to show how they're done.